next video, we're going to talk about video conferencing options. So a lot of people are now going to video conferencing, and there's plenty of ways to do that. If you're just talking to friends and family and already know how to FaceTime on your phone, go for it. Continue there. Of course, Facebook has that as well. But if you need to now communicate with multiple people and host like group calls, your free option is Google Hangouts, and for groups, and it has its pros and cons. If you are using video conferencing for business, then I would recommend getting a Zoom account. You can do it for free if it's just one-on-one, so you and one other person connected. You can stay on their free plan. But if you've got more than one person, go ahead and upgrade to their pro. Let's see. Let's just well, I'm logged into mine. And so Zoom, I just purchased the pro version, and it ended up in the state of Tennessee, because it goes off of sales tax. In the state of Tennessee, it was $170 for the year. So I think it's like $14 a month if you pay month to month. You save a couple bucks a month if you pay for the year. There's all kinds of tools in here to help you, run a meeting with a group. And so just go ahead and sign up for a free account. And also, if you're going to, when you sign up for this, use the email that people are most likely to reach out to you scheduling calls. It'll just make things easier, because the platform itself has an account for you, so you can save your photo and your name. And then when people invite you to these Zoom calls, your basic stuff is already in place. That means that you don't have to like key your name and upload an image and all that every time you get some new video hosting. So start with Zoom is my advice. Consider doing the paid if you've got multiple people. If cost is an issue, then go with Google Hangouts. And there you go. All right, next video.